What's up, guys? Any of you guys into RC cars? I have here a Tamiya Volkswagen Golf VR6. You guys might not know this, but I'm big into the older Volkswagens. Yeah, I know this is front-wheel drive, and not as popular as the 240s and the Skylines and whatnot. But this brand and this model is dear to me ever since I got into cars in the first place. So won this on eBay, and I had a buddy of mine pick it up. All right, so used. See some blemish there, some odd stickers. Good body, right? Looks pretty good for the most part. And you can see here this wheel is a little bit messed up. And I'll show you why. So let's get rid of these pins. Okay, that's the body. Nice packaging. Okay, so the reason why that wheel is so wobbly is because suspension component is broken. I think you guys can really see that there. So easy enough, Tamiya still sells a lot of the discontinued parts, but harder to find from Tamiya itself. So you often have to search and scour eBay and forums, and there's a ton of different RC part outlets. I've yet to take this to a local hobby shop, which I really want to do, see what they can recommend. But I did find the Tamiya front and rear D part suspension components, so I've got that on the way. So once those are in, I'd like to go ahead and fix this broken part right here. Other than that, you can probably notice it's missing a few things: servo, battery, whatnot. So I'm still kind of getting back into this. I don't quite remember everything I learned back in the day when I did mess with these a little bit. But anyway, front wheel drive, so there's only a few things you can really do. But yeah, you can get creative and do a lot of different things. So I want to at least get it functional again, fix the broken suspension component here, and get the radio and transmitter, and take it for a run and see how it goes. The body itself, I love these things because it's just like it's just like a car. If you love cars, whether it's an RC car, a full-size car, a second-hand car, brand new, it doesn't matter. We love to modify cars, and we love to make them better. Modify the exterior, interior, engine components, what have you. So if you are familiar with this stuff, feel free to drop a comment, shoot a link. Let's definitely exchange some information about this stuff, and see what we can do. I'd love to keep messing with this a little further. Again, I'm really rusty when it comes to this stuff now because it's been years. I'm really excited to get started and get back into it. All right, so hope to hear from you guys soon. All right, peace.